Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel Sophie Stained Glass. If you're joining me for the first time today, you're most welcome. Check out the other videos, quite a lot of them. And if you're returning, thank you for your support. Today, something a bit different, because as you know, mostly what I do is leaded glass. I'm going to be taking a look at fusing, and I'm going to try and remedy a break. So let's see what kind of results I get. So here we have two wonderfully fused panels which were supposed to go in my bathroom door, but look what happened. Oh no, so sad. So in today's video I am going to be putting them back in the kiln to see if I can refuse this one back together. I'm going to put them both in because of course refusing it will change the finish, because every time you fire something, it has a sort of cumulative effect. So even if I put it in on the same setting as before, it will melt more. So in order that they both still match, that's what I'm going to have to do. But the other thing I have to do before I do that, I'll just show you with this piece. Don't know if you can see, this has sat in my back garden for quite a long time, and it's got this heavy texture, and there is grit and dirt and soil inside here. So I'm just going to soak these and see if I can get that out. A cursory wipe with a sponge didn't do it. So the kiln is loaded. I did a really bad job at getting rid of the gravel that's inside these pieces. So we're going to fire them and see what happens. I've pushed them back together. There's a tiny wee hole here, and I think there's one somewhere else there. And I'm just going to cover it with a piece of confetti. Where was it? I've lost it. There. You may be not even seeing it. So I'm just going to try and hold a camera whilst placing it. There we go. So that's covering that one, and I will just get one for this one as well. Just a tiny one. I don't know whether so that one went in there. I don't know whether it will make much difference, but just a little idea I had. So I am now going to select my temperature, my cooking recipe. I have decided to try it first on a tack fuse before I take it up to a full fuse, just in case a tack fuse will fix it. Probably won't, but it'll be interesting to see. So this is the recipe here. Hopefully that makes sense to you all. Yeah, okay, so we'll set that going, come back tomorrow and see what we have. So it's the next day, and let's see what results we got. Ooh, that's the trouble when I do it one-handed. Sorry, let's do that again. So it may have fused together. I'm not sure how strong it will be. Let's have a little look if it can lift up. I might put it on my camera on the tripod so I can use two hands. Ooh. So that has fused together. But you can very clearly see the breaks. So I've still got quite a lot of texture there, and it would be a shame to lose all that texture. Ooh. But I'm tempted to give it another fuse, a full fuse, just to see if I can get rid of these more. Anyway, it'll be quite interesting to see what the, what the different effect will be giving it a full fuse. So that's what I'll do now, just so that you can properly see all those cracks, super visible. Quite a lot of texture still though. That was a tack fuse. So let's do that. Let's do a full fuse and come back tomorrow. This is the recipe for my full fuse. So hopefully you can see that. Here we are. Come to look. Come to look. Oh, actually that's worse. So doing a full fuse has actually shrunk these pieces. Oh dear. Let's see, can you see that? No, let me take it off. Well, that's quite interesting, isn't it? So, can you see that hole has opened up because when I full fused it, they shrank. Well, well, well. Oh, well, it's been an interesting experiment. What shall I do? Shall I do it again? Don't know. Don't know. Maybe I'll just put these results up for the time being. Yeah. So there we have it. What to do with your broken glass. So I think you've seen that the tack fuse worked better than the full fuse, but we didn't know that at first, which is what experimenting is all about. And well, it was broken and nothing ventured, nothing gained and all that. So I hope this experiment will help inform your decisions about what to do with your broken bits of glass. And thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe.